Hello and welcome again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about past continuous tense. Earlier, we studied past indefinite tense, and then we are going to study past continuous tense. Now, let me tell you uh, how we use past continuous tense. So, past continuous tense is using for the continue work which is happening in the past. For this type of things or work, we use past continuous. Now, how can we make past continuous tense? First, we need to write subject, then and the continuous. We need after subject we need helping word like was or were. Now I will tell you where should we use was and where should we use were. Um, After subject you need to direct use was or were. Then you need to use a verb, and here verb ing form is using mean first form and then ing. So and the last we need object. Now here, let's talk about was and were. Where should we use was and where should we use were? It is according to the subject. Let me write you a few subject here. I, we, you, they, plural noun. If these were the subject, I, we, you, they, and plural noun, so you need to use were. With all these, we need to use were. And if the subject were he, she, it, or singular noun, we need to use was. If the subject were I, we, you, they, and plural noun, you need to use were. And if the subject were he, she, it, and singular noun, you need to use a was direct after subject. And here, where the ing form is using first form and then ing. And the last, you need to write object. Let's make the sentences. All right, so let's have the first sentence. I, and here is I. So which one should I use, was or were? You need to write me and a comment which one should I use. Okay, tell me. Right, we have to use were here because with I we use were. I were, and we use third form of the verb. I were eating, eat, and then you need to write ing. Verb is eat and then ing. I were eating apple. This is past continuous tense simple sentence. Here in past continuous, two type of helping verb will be using was or were. You know exactly where should we use was and where should we use were. Now let me write a sentence where was is using. He was drink. Here is the first form and then you need to write ing with this. He was drinking water. He was drinking water. This is also the past continuous sentence. First, I wrote a subject, and the subject is he. And what should I use with he, was, or were? So we need to use was with he because I wrote you the table, and he were at the was table. Now drink, and then we need to use ing, and the water is object. This is the simple rule for making a simple sentence of a past continuous tense. Now I'm going to write these sentences and negative. This is so easy. Let me write it. All right, so let's convert this sentence into the negative. First, you need to do he, write he was, and what we write in a negative, we just need to write not. He was not drinking water. This is a simple rule for making interrogative, a negative sentence of past continuous tense. Now, I need to convert the sentence into the interrogative to make a question. It's also easy. You need to write was first and then he second. Was he drinking water? Let me write another sentence. All right, so let me make another sentence. I were dancing. This is the past continuous tense sentence because here I were and was. I know these are used in the past continuous. Now I were dancing. So how can I just kind of word this into the negative? That is very easy. I were not dancing. This is so easy. Now I have to convert this into the interrogative. Were I dancing? This is pretty easy. I hope you understand everything. If you learned something, please don't forget to follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much.